A live look from our TMO Skycam up on Edom Hill today. Was another hot day, but a couple degrees cooler than where we were yesterday. Today in the mid to low 90s for us here in the Coachella Valley. Now taking a look at our headlines, we'll be in the lower 90s Monday, so that cooling trend is continuing. Gusty winds join us on Tuesday and we'll be in the low 80s by Wednesday. So that cooling trend just keeps on coming. Right now temperatures are in the low 90s for us here on the Coachella Valley floor. On the high desert, we're looking at temperatures already dropping into the 80s and the 70s through the pass. Right now, our winds tracking to 10 miles an hour in Cathedral City, a little bit stronger through the San Gorgonio Pass. More of those wind-prone locations picking up on the gusts as of right now. But we will be picking up on gusts on the valley floor as we head into Monday evening. Taking a look at your future wind gust model here, picking up on some gusts in the 30-mile-an-hour range for areas like La Quinta, Thousand Palms, even over in Mecca and Thermal along the I-10 as well. Then as we head into Tuesday evening, we're tracking gusts potentially reaching near 50 miles an hour on the valley floor. So La Quinta, 49 miles an hour. This is Tuesday at 7 p.m. We're at 50 miles an hour for Desert Hot Springs and through Whitewater as well, nearing 50 for Thousand Palms. And then in Thermal and Mecca, picking up on gusts near 40 miles an hour. And again, continuing with us through Wednesday or Tuesday evening, late Tuesday evening, still tracking those strong gusts, 50 miles an hour up at the tram and some 50s for us here on the valley floor. Now, as for the timing of this first alert weather alert day, it is Tuesday for those gusty winds. Winds again could reach 50 miles an hour or above for the pass, and then above 40 miles an hour for the valley floor, even seeing some 50s on our models. The impact is going to cause that blowing sand and dust and reduced visibility, so it could make travel difficult. Now, also with this, a fire weather watch is in place for parts of the high desert. This area shaded in tan. It includes Morongo Valley, Yucca Valley, and parts of 29 Palms as well. The humidity is going to be very low, so with those winds and the low humidity, any fire that does spark could spread very quickly, so avoid any outdoor burning. This is from Tuesday at 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. Now, here's what we're tracking. We're tracking this trough of low pressure pushing down, and that's what's causing our temperatures to drop. Then as we head into Tuesday, we're really deepening with this trough of low pressure, which is going to be causing our temperatures to be right near our seasonal. As for this evening, though, another warm evening, dropping into the 70s, not until 10 o'clock tonight. Light winds out there, 10 miles an hour. Your Comfort Air 7-day forecast shows temperatures continuing to cool down throughout this week into the 80s for most of the week before we warm back up again into the low 90s. But it'll be a nice break after we've been dealing with the upper 90s to have the low 80s back, more seasonal. But along with those cooler temperatures does come the wind. So that's why we have that first alert weather alert day. We'll continue to keep you updated on that.
And it's important to enjoy these 80s
Yes,
while they last.
I know, especially this time of year, you know what's coming.
Yeah.